This rare iPhone was designed to look like Tesla's new Cybertruck, and it costs more than $5,000. That's our good pals over at Caviar, Will.
I reached out to them.
They're sending us the most elaborate phones on planet Earth. This one, I think this is the craziest one they've done. Look at that thing. Cybertruck inspired, custom iPhone. I mean, the iPhone part of it is just gone at this point. Besides the camera at the back, which is reminiscent of the iPhone. But otherwise, that's a whole new thing. And at first glance, I looked at it, I was like, how does it even work? But it turns out that on the front side of the device, there's actually a screen cover, which is built into the entire phone. And then that thing flips down and becomes a stand for the phone. And the video that you got right there kind of gives you an idea of how that all operates. So this company, a Russian company, they do all kinds of customizations of iPhones, plate them in gold, put jewels on them, engravings.
Add Steve Jobs turtleneck.
They put Steve Jobs turtleneck in there, and then they charge you 5 Gs, as you would and as you should if you're doing stuff like that. There, that's how the front fits on. You see what I'm talking about? So it looks like a Cybertruck when it's closed up, and then you flip that piece down when you're going to talk on it or use it. It's pretty wild. What a concept. Now, I don't know. What if you just want to talk? Can you flip it all the way back around? Or does it just go straight to stand because you never hold a phone to your head in the future? Maybe. I don't know. Either way, it is a super futuristic looking thing. Nonetheless, very cool. Now, this one is also going to be expensive like their previous ones. $5,000, over $5,000 actually. It's going to be based on an iPhone 11 Pro. The casing is made of titanium, and there's only going to be 99 of these produced. And that's part of the deal with Caviar, is that it's going to be a limited production run. So presumably there's some collectible component to picking up one of these phones. Well, like you just know they're not going to keep making them forever. I don't know where this one fits for me. I think it might be the coolest one they've done just because it's so different. You look at it from a distance and you don't even see an iPhone. Where do you stand on that?
And with the sharp angles and stuff, I don't know if it's usable in a way.
If you got this much money, you don't need to be using it, okay?
I mean, it's quite a chore to actually open it. It definitely
Will,
looks
if you
cool.
got $5,300 on a Caviar one of 99,
I have my regular phone.
You have more than one phone. This goes on the desk. That's the desk phone.
Yeah.
That's your Cybertruck desk phone. Cyberphone. They're calling it the Cyberphone. You see that? It's to commemorate. It's like at this point they're collectibles.
Yes. Absolutely.
It is a phone, but it's a collectible first. Now, the unboxing experience is going to be like the other ones. You're going to have the fancy leather box and all that as well. So who knows? Some people might buy it, Will, and just keep it in the box. They put it on a desk. Who knows what they're going to do? But nonetheless, Caviar's back at it with probably the craziest design they've done so far ever.